Yesterday's work was a piece of cake. Get it? Pizza. Today we're going to continue working with our missing words. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's tune in.
Good morning, friends. I'm very excited to see you guys again. Today is Tuesday. If you did not see yesterday's video, please go back and view Monday's lesson before checking out today's. Today, we're going to continue with our week I can statement, which is I can use cubes to help solve word problems. Yesterday, we were identifying the missing addend. Today, we are going to build on that strategy that we learned yesterday and do another step. So I'm going to write the I can statement and then we are going to say it and repeat it. Repeat after me. I can identify the missing part, solve it, and check. We have three different steps that we are doing today. We're going to first identify the missing part. After we do that, we're going to solve it. And last, we are going to check our work. Now, I know that sounds like a lot, but yesterday we actually did all three of these steps. Today, we are just making sure that we are identifying it and actually going through. Today, we don't have any brand new sight words. We're going to take a look at yesterday's sight words and last week's sight words because we're building off of those things. We learned that the word sum is a math word because it lets us know that there is a missing part. Check out our math words. Our math problem says the following: six birds were flying in the sky. Some birds joined. Now there are 14 birds flying in the sky. How many more birds joined? We're going to go through our word problem, and whenever we see a word problem, we automatically know that we are going to do awesome cubes. So let me write it on the side. Cubes. So the first thing we want to do is our C. We want to circle the numbers. I'm going to give you guys a few seconds to identify our two numbers. If you said 6 and 14, kiss your brain. Those are our two numbers. Next, we have U. We want to underline the question. And we know when we underline the question, we look for a question word and a question mark. I'm looking. I identified a question word. How? My question mark is here. How many more birds joined? That is today's question. How many more birds joined? Do I want to know how many birds are there altogether? No, I want to know how many more birds join. So that lets me know that I'm looking for a part, not the whole. Let's continue moving. We underlined it. Next, we want to box in our math words. And yesterday, Mr. Nieves let you in on a secret that the word sum is a math word because sum means missing number or missing part. 6 birds were flying in the sky. No math words there. Some, yes, I'm going to box that in. Some more, yes, the word more is also a math word. Birds joined. Now there are 14 birds in the sky. How many more birds joined? The word some lets me know that there is a missing number. The word more lets me know that we are going to do, yes, addition. I am starting to write my number sentence here at the bottom. Next thing that I want to do is evaluate. So when I'm evaluating, I'm thinking about what my strategy is going to be, and I'm also thinking what my number sentence is going to look like. I'm also identifying the numbers and putting them in their correct position. So I have the number 6. 6 birds were flying in the sky. Okay, that doesn't let me know that that's the total. That lets me know that there was a certain amount of birds or part of the birds. So I'm going to put 6 here because I know my addition formula is part plus part equals whole. Say it with me. Part plus part equals whole. Good job. So I have one of my parts. The next word is sum. That's not a number, but sum does let me know that there is a missing part. So I do have my second part. I just don't know what it is yet. Now there are 14 birds flying in the sky. We call that our whole. And does our whole go here or does it go after our equal sign? Oh, you got to be louder than that. Where does it go? Yes, after the equal sign. I used both the numbers that they gave me. I used my math words to help me complete my number sentence. Now I am going to solve my number sentence. But how would I solve this without having my second part? Well, yesterday we solved by using drawing. And the strategy was counting on. So I'm going to start today at 6. How many counters do you think I'll draw? Yes, 6 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I know I want to get to the number 14. Am I going to start at 0 here again? No, but I don't have a number here. Why wouldn't I start at 0? Oh, because I know that I already have 6 birds. So I just have to start at 6 and keep counting forward. Okay, so I have 6 here, then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Should I stop there? Yes, I need to stop because I know that I have 14 birds in all. That is my whole. Am I done? No. Oh, Mr. Nieves forgot to count his counters so he can plug it in. Say it with me. Plug it in, plug it in. All right, let's count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm saying that 6 plus 8 equals 14. Well, before I finish it and identify the missing part as 8, I want to check my work. The way that I'm going to check my work is by drawing a number line. I know that I should at least go up to the number 14. So I'm going to have the number 14 here. And just give me a second because I don't want to bore you guys drawing this. So I'm going to do it really fast. So I have my number line from 1 to 14. I'm not going to start at the number 1 because I know that my first number was the number, 6. So I'm going to come here to 6. And then I'm going to count forward until I get to 14. So let's count. Ready? 6 and then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I want to see how many spaces I've moved. So I'm going to put little lines on my mountaintops to see. So I moved 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Does 8 equal 8? Yes, it is the same numbers. So how many more birds joined? Because remember, I want to label my answer. How many more? Yes, 8 more elephants? No, 8 more birds. 8 more birds. That is my answer. Let me go back and make sure that I identified the missing part. Check. Did I solve it? Yes. And did I check my work? Yes, I did. Today, you guys are going to go back and work on your word problems. Make sure to solve and check. You can solve using manipulatives, you can draw a picture, or you can use your number line. And those are the 3 ways that you can check your work as well. Don't forget, the greatest number is always your whole. Your parts are the 2 smaller numbers. I'll give you a secret. The word sum is always going to be one of your parts. So you're always going to be trying to find the sum. You're always going to be trying to find the part that is going to bring you to your total.